Chris at S&C. So we've got a fence repair today. Got them bits. As we can see, the fence is being propped up. So I'm going to reinstall some posts. Get it all tightened back up. It should be okay. There's a gate there, I believe. Yep, we'll get the gate working. It's a bit of a tight one. It should be okay. Morning, Chris at S&C. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with today. Repair this. Totally gone. Totally gone. I've already set one post in. I've prepped it. 4 more to go. Yep, get it screwed back up. Get it safe and secure. Right, so repaired the fence. Installed new posts. Solid. Looking good. Gate closes.